vacuum cleaner has powerful suction and can clean large areas quickly. It can pick up dirt, dust, and debris in no time, which is great for those with busy schedules. Vacuums are excellent time savers, and it is a good idea for every household to have one. Number 7. Use a steam cleaner. A steam cleaner is a good choice to clean your house because it uses high temperature steam to clean and sanitize surfaces, which can effectively remove dirt, grime, and bacteria without the need for harsh chemicals. Steam cleaning is a chemical-free cleaning method that is safe for use on a variety of surfaces such as tile, hardwood, laminate, and carpet. Steam cleaning can also kill dust mites, bed bugs, and other allergens in the house, making it a good option for people with allergies. Additionally, a steam cleaner is versatile and can be used to clean various areas of the house, including the kitchen, bathroom, and living areas, as well as upholstery, drapes, and other fabrics. Number 8. Use natural cleaning solutions. Mix a solution of vinegar and water to clean surfaces, or use baking soda to scrub away tough stains. These solutions are not only effective, but they are also safe to use and environmentally friendly. Number 9. Get help. Finally, number 9 is getting help. Enlisting the help of family members will definitely help you get the job done faster. Instead of working on your own through these steps, why not divide the workload between your family? Still, on getting help, the least stressful way to clean a house is to hire a cleaning company. Please tell us in the comments if you are aware of other efficient techniques to adopt while cleaning a house, or if you have some concerns about the ones listed here.